Hello everyone. My name is FG. Welcome to my channel FG Facts Describer. I hope you all will fine. So in this video I will tell you 10 most rare and informative facts about Japan. So here are the 10 most rare and informative facts about Japan. Fact number 1. Aging population. Japan has one of the world's oldest populations, with a large percentage of people over 65 years old. This demographic shift has led to unique societal challenges, such as a declining workforce and innovative solutions like robots aiding in caregiving. Fact number 2. Isolated culture. Japan remained isolated from the rest of the world for centuries during the Tokugawa shogunate's rule, 1603 to 1868, a period known as Sakoku. This isolation contributed to the development of a distinct culture, including language, art, and customs. Fact number 3. Train punctuality. Japanese trains are renowned for their punctuality. The average delay is often measured in seconds, and train companies issue certificates to passengers if a train is delayed by more than a few minutes. Fact number 4. Akakawa Forest. This forest, located at the base of Mount Fuji, is known as the suicide forest, due to the high number of suicides that occur there annually. It's a place of eerie beauty but carries a haunting reputation. Fact number 5. Kit Kat flavors. Japan has a vast array of Kit Kat flavors, with over 300 variations, including matcha, sake, sweet potato, and wasabi. These unique flavors are often limited editions and popular as souvenirs. Fact number 6. Capsule Hotels. In densely populated cities like Tokyo, capsule hotels offer small pod-like accommodations designed for a short stay. They provide basic amenities and are popular among budget travelers. Fact number 7. Manga and anime culture. Japan is the birthplace of manga and anime, with a diverse range of genres that cater to various audiences globally. Manga are Japanese comic books, while anime refers to animated TV shows and films. Fact number 8. Robotics Innovation. Japan is at the forefront of robotics research and development. They've produced advanced robots used in industries, healthcare, and even entertainment, like Asimo, a humanoid robot developed by Honda. Fact number 9. Oto Tanashi. This Japanese concept embodies exceptional hospitality and attentiveness to guests, emphasizing anticipating needs and offering impeccable service in various settings, from restaurants to hotels. Fact number 10. Unique cuisine. Japan is famous for its sushi and sashimi, but it has a rich and diverse culinary heritage beyond that, including regional specialties like okonomiyaki, takoyaki, and Kobe beef. The culture emphasizes fresh, seasonal ingredients and exquisite presentation. Each of these facts showcases different facets of Japan, from its societal intricacies to its technological advancements and cultural richness. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you want you can also like my videos and subscribe my channel. Trust me, it's 100% free to like and subscribe.